Tell sa fish ko you're sad.
I'm sad! Ano mga fish na? Mabait na fish siya?
Dili, we can't go to Mama Gina.
Kundi?
Kay nag-rain.
Sa?
Nag-rain today.
After.
If there's no rain na, mag-go na din ila Mama Gina.
Sa?
Ila Mama Gina fish.
Sa Sunday?
Today is... What is today?
Today.
Unsa man today?
Tuesday.
Monday today.
Monday today.
O tomorrow na lang, Tuesday. Pag dili na mag-rain.
Sa?
If there's no rain na...
Pasok sa Tuesday?
Oh, pasok na sa Tuesday.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
May pasok sa Tuesday.
After pasok Tuesday.
After pasok Tuesday, ato din ila Mama Gina, ha? Nag-rain man na. Kanya rin, Mami B. It's raining, man.
Fish now, fish.
Naman, talk na sa imong fish ka.
Fish, I'm sad. Fish, I'm sad.
Dili, we can't go. Kaya nag-rain. You know, if raining, mag-get sick lang ka.
Only fish lang sa.
Fish na lang ni Gabsa.
After fish siya, Gab.
Fish, Mama Gina.
Natawa yun.
Nag-rain pa. Nabasa na ang fish.
Only.
Mabasa si Gab. Mabasa sad ang fish kay walay umbrella.
Nasa?
No need na sa umbrella.
Saan umbrella? Nasa?
Nasa Gaisano.
Nasa Gaisano.
Magbay pa ta.
Nasa Gaisano.
Kami na, Mami.
Nasa Gaisano.
Kami na,
Baita
Mami.
umbrella?
Yes.
Pag Sunday?
Yes, baita umbrella sa
Pag
Gaisano.
Sunday?
If we have umbrella na, pwede na go ilang, Mama.
Gina.
Oh, relax na. Kami na,
After
Mami.
school. After school.
After school, magbay si Mami umbrella.
Baita umbrella.
Oh, Mami. Hug sa Mami. Come here.
Gana.
Hug na, Mami. Relax na. Oh, relax. Hug, Mami. Hug na, Mami.
Napasa.
Just hug, Mami.
Naaman.
I know. Next time na lang, saman, mag-eat ka? Mag-drink ta, mag-drink ta. Ano sabi mo i-drink? What do you want to drink? There's no umbrella lagi. Ay, dili na, sira ang umbrella, ga. Sira ang umbrella. It's not just umbrella, Gab. It's not just umbrella. Kami sabi. Alin na kayo, hug, Mami. It's okay.
Wala ban pasok Tuesday?
May pasok sa Tuesday. Sige. Wala pasok sa Tuesday, siguro. I don't know.
Only
what?
Wednesday and Thursday.
Okay, sige.
Pasok Tuesday?
Wala.
Wala.
Okay. Hug na, Mami.
Kay?
Mag-adto ta ila Mama Gina tomorrow morning.
Kay?
Before ka adto school, adto ta ila Mama Gina, okay? I-check na to ang fish.
Check na.
Tomorrow na. Kaya nag-rain pa. Alisa.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
Hala, ato mong balls. Look at the balls, oh. Look at the balls. What's that? Balls. Tata, let's go sa balls.
After balls. Ala pasok Tuesday? Wala pasok Tuesday. Buy the umbrella?
Ha?
Buy the umbrella?
Yes, we'll buy umbrella.
Pag?
After school tomorrow. Ato din ta, Mama Gina. After school, ato ta, Mama Gina?
Ata Mama Gina.
Sige, relax na. Okay. No, nag-heavy na ang rain.
Ay, naipi ang rain.
Heavy lagi ang rain. Ano man?
Wala pasok Tuesday?
Sige. Whatever.
Pasok
you
Tuesday.
want.
Wala
Hug,
pasok
Mami, babe.
Tuesday. Wala pasok Tuesday.
It's okay na.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Okay. Trumballs ni mo, oh. Mag-play na ta.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Hala, nag-order si Mami Shopee. Let's check kung asa na imo ang balls. Oh, look at this, oh. Later kapag no rain na, mag-go mo ni Tita Kakay. Pag mag-stop na ang rain, sing na lang ka. Rain, go. Sing. Sing sa lagi, anak.
Rain.
Sige na. Okay na.
Baita na sa fish na Gina.
Okay.
Pag? Sunday.
Okay.
Nuno na pasok? Tuesday?
Okay.
Only? Wala pasok Tuesday. Yaya imuhead.
Hello?
Wala naman pasok Tuesday.
Oh, lagi, wala na.
Only.
Bakit?
Gusto niya pumunta sa ano?
Wala namang payong.
Nasa? Napasa?
Oh, wala pa payong. Oh.
Nasa?
Bay tayo payong. Oh, come on. Rain. Come on. Oh.
Ay,
Rain.
umbrella.
Bay tayo umbrella. Okay, bay.
So, Sunday pa yung umbrella.
Okay, let's go na. Bay na umbrella ka, tapos punta tayo kay Mama Gina. Tapos, get natin ng 30 fish. How many fish na lang kina Mama Gina?
30.
Oh, then, ilan ang tapon mo? Ilan tinapon mo?
It's 25.
Oh, so how many na lang?
20.
Give ikaw, nasa nung fish mo? Nasa loob, di ba? O give ikaw kay Mama Gina ng color red. O go. Lakas rain eh. Bay tayo payong muna ha. Sa merkado.
Ay, merkado?
Oo, bay muna tayo
Merkado.
payong. Oo.
Sa merkado.
Oo.
Ay, sa merkado.
Oo, bay muna tayo. Pag wala na rain, bay tayo ng payong at tapos punta tayo kay Mama Gina.
Sa?
Doon, kay Mama Gina, bay tayo.
Magbayta pa yung sa Sunday?
Uy, today is only Monday. So, sa Tuesday,
Pag after,
after school, bay tayo payong.
ay, wala pasok Monday,
Wala pasok
Tuesday,
Monday.
wala pasok Tuesday.
Uy, meron na.
Ay!
Sige. Bakit wala tayo pasok Tuesday? Because it's
Holiday.
holiday.
It's not holiday tomorrow na. Today lang holiday. Tomorrow, why man you don't want to go to school?
Ay, wala pasok Tuesday.
Wala pasok Tuesday because
Because holiday.
it's not holiday lagi tomorrow. Today man ang holiday.
It's
Tomorrow, unsa may reason? What's your reason nga nang wala pasok tomorrow?
wala pasok tomorrow. It's wala pasok Tuesday.
Oh, no pasok Tuesday because
Because Yayay Kuya Gabsa.
Nasaan ang yaya sa'yo?
Ayan, yayay. Kaya wala pasok Tuesday.
hala, wala pasok Tuesday
Ay,
kay?
wala pasok Tuesday.
Because
Holiday.
dili lagi holiday Tuesday.
Ah,
Today lagi ang holiday. Wala pasok tomorrow because
Because it's
Ay, relax.
wala bag sa Tuesday.
oh, wala pasok Tuesday kay?
Kaya holiday.
Nakusog na ang rain gum.
Ay.
Get inside na, daddy. Baka magkaano yan. Okay na, let's go na.
Let's go.
Let's go
Ay,
na.
si Muchi!
Nag.
Ito ang fish na tilapia!
Ayan. Wala kay Muchi.
Sabi mo Muchi, no eat tilapia.
Wala yung tilapia.
Oh.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Let's go na inside mo. Kapasabi.
Heavy rain na gab.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Oh, wala pasok. Sige,
Oh, wala na pasok Tuesday.
Wala pasok Tuesday. Okay, wala pasok Tuesday.
Let's get inside na. Watch na kagabyon. Hala, watch kagabyon. YouTube. Abas.
Na?
Watch ka.
After watch ka yun, ay wala pasok Tuesday.
Wala pasok Tuesday. Let's go na. Let's go na. Open na sa, ano.
Ay wala pasok Tuesday. Wala pasok Tuesday.
Check mo nung ano mo, Shopee mo, where's the ball? Dali na.
Wala naman na pasok Tuesday.
Wala lagi. Sige na, pag-look na nito gabyon ka. Watch nito TV ka.
Wala na pasok Tuesday.
Okay, wala na pasok. Hug na mami.
After eat breakfast sa Tuesday,
Oo. Mag-what?
wala pasok Tuesday.
Okay.
Ay, tomorrow na.
Watch ka na, Gabo.
Tomorrow mo, ato ta sa ano, mo visit ta sa fish ni Mama Gina, okay?
After, ay wala pasok Tuesday.
Basta after, if there's no rain na, ato mo tita kakay sa fish ni Mama Gina.
Sunday?
Today.
Pag
Pag no rain today, ato din mo fish Mama Gina. Visit ninyo ha. Bakit? Nabasa na ang fish ni Mama Gina kay nag-rain.
Only therapy lang, Nad. Wala man pasok Tuesday. Wala man pasok Tuesday ni Kuya Gab. Wala.
Sige.
Pasok Tuesday, Kuya Gab.
Wala pasok.
Oh, extended ang holiday tomorrow, Tuesday, kay?
Okay?
No, pasok si Kuya Gab. Only Wednesday lang. And Thursday.
Wednesday and Thursday lang ang
Pasok.
sa
school ni Kuya Gab.
After eat breakfast sa Tuesday.
Wala, pasok. Visit na dahil sa fish ni Mama Gina.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
Wala, pasok.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
Wala lagi. Enough na. Change the topic na.
After dito namin.
Change pagid the topic. After change the topic, change pagid ang topic. Kiss Mami, kiss.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
I love you so much.
Wala pasok Tuesday ni Kuya
Excuse
Gab.
me, I love you so much.
I love you so much. Wala pasok Kuya Gab sa Tuesday? Ulit?
No,
Happy lang ta.
pag masad ka, ang fish ni mo mag-sad food, mag-cry sad. Look at sa fish ni mo, oh.
Butay?
Nag-cry si fish kay, nag-cry si Kuya Gab. Ikaw, ato ay mo fish ka. No, luoy kay ang fish ni mo. Ato ang fish ni mo ka. Ito ka, na sorry fish.
Sorry, fish. Sorry. Wala pasok Tuesday?
Uy, change the topic na.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
Okay. No, pa.
Wala pasok Tuesday?
Sige, watch na tayo gabi.
Watch na gabi yun.
Hindi ko alam.
Dali.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Hey, napasok Tuesday. You ate namin ng Shopee.
Pasok na Tuesday. No, pasok
Oh,
Tuesday.
no, pasok. Dali na, let's go na.
After breakfast sa Tuesday.
Oh, di mag-watch tayo ng gabi.
After match lab yun.
Oh, di punta tayo kay Mama Gina Fish.
After Mama Gina fish.
Oh, how many fish na lang kay Mama Gina?
24.
Oh, 24. Where is the 6? Ni Tapo ni Kuya Gab.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Okay, walang pasok.
Change the topic.
After change topic.
Change pagid the topic.
Mag-change topic ka ha. Change sa topic. Change sa topic na ha. Change sa topic.
Oh, relax.
Change sa topic na. Change sa topic.
Okay.
Change the topic na.
It's okay na. Relax na.
After.
Come here na.
Wala pa
Hug na sa mami.
Tuesday.
It's okay na. Halit na
Wala
kami
pa
na.
Tuesday.
Wala na pasok.
Only.
Only?
After eat breakfast sa Tuesday.
Oh, after eat breakfast sa Tuesday, what man?
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Only.
Change topic na.
Change
Okay
topic na.
Nag-close deal na ta. Nawala pasok Tuesday. What else do you want pa man?
No pasok Tuesday.
Oh.
Only.
Only love can make you well. I love you so much.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Sige na. Okay na.
After change topic.
Ay, mag-sing na lang si Mami.
Ay, wala pasok Tuesday.
Ang saga itong ising gali.
Bye ko. Ay.
Bahay.
Ay.
Kubo. Kahit may lights.
Ay.
And the lights there, gab. Is color white outside.
Ay, wala pasok Tuesday.
Oh, change the topic. Now, what's this? Unsa man eh? Who is this na? Who is this?
Balitag hali.
Oh, sa Balitang Hali. Kinsa man ang news anchor sa Balitang Hali? Si?
This is on graffiti ba?
Unsa si?
Oh, this is on graffiti ba?
Okay, watch ta Balitang Hali.
Ay.
Unsa man na imong
Wala pasok
gi-search?
Tuesday. Wala man pasok Tuesday.
Okay.
Wala man pasok Tuesday.
Okay. Only?
Pasok sa Wednesday, pasok sa Thursday,
Okay.
pasok sa Tuesday.
Okay na.
Kay?
Okay na si Kuya Gab.
Kay?
Gusto ka mag-snack? You want food? Mag-get ko sa mo snack.
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Kahit tayo itong banana ni Gab kayo, be. Ano itong banana? Ano ito siya? Banana. Oh, na, dire. Tara.
Oh,
Yay! Eat na, oh.
After eat,
drink ka water.
kay wala man ka pasok Tuesday.
Okay. Di, open mami.
Ay, no pasok Tuesday.
Open it, finish ang pag... Ang fish what?
Muchi daw.
Hello, yun sa ni Muchi. Muchi the dog. Unsaan man ni Muchi?
Nag-cry.
Nga naman, why it's crying?
Ang Muchi.
Why man nag-cry? Mahulog ka na?
Pasok sa Tuesday?
Wala na lagi pasok.
Only?
Only Wednesday and Thursday lang.
After eat breakfast at Tuesday.
Unsa man ay tabo after eat breakfast. Mag-watch og gabyon. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. O, sit down na. Kaya mag-prepare sa ako sa lunch ni Mommy and Daddy. Gutom naman. 2 p.m. na. Wala pa eat si Mommy and Daddy. Okay na? Pwede na eat si Mommy and Daddy? Pwede na? Okay na ka? Okay na? Ana, approve. If okay na ka. Okay, thank you. Ana, be approve. Ana ka, approve. Okay, eat na.
Ayun.
Oh, sige, sing.
Daddy naman ng ano. Give naman ng daddy ng ano. Thank you. Ang mga isda na lumalangoy. Yummy? O no?
Wala pasok Tuesday.
Wala.